Okay, so when you're asking in Samoan, what is your name? The first question is Oai Loingoa. That's how you would ask. A lot of people say that, Oai Loingoa. But if you're asking if you want to say it in the most respectful way, Oai Lo Swafa. Swafa and Ingoa means the same. It's name in Samoan. So just keep that in mind. And then to respond to that question, Oilo Ingoa po Oilo Swafa, you would answer Olo'u Ingoa o, meaning my name is, and then you give your name. Say it again. Olo'u Ingoa o. In my case, Olo'u Ingoa o Lily. My name is Lily.